Dear friends, in this video, we study the introduction to protein metabolism. Protein plays various important physiological functions in health and in disease. Their functional 3D structure is determined mainly by the sequence of amino acids when they are synthesized. There is a constant turnover of body protein, the rate of which exceeds dietary protein intake and therefore suggest a degree of recycling. Excess amino acid can be converted into glucose, ketone bodies, or acetyl CoA. Some amino acids that enter the body protein pool can be synthesized, while others can only be obtained through dietary means. All nitrogen containing compounds such as nitrogenous bases or alkaloids are directly or indirectly derived from amino acids. When amino acids are used as an energy source, they deaminate and keto acids further enters into oxidative pathways. The waste ammonia is excreted as such or converted into lesser toxic form depending on animal and type to the habitat to which it is adapted. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.